Are you one of those new draping designers who go out and purchase everything because it's on sale, so you end up buying the wrong items? More importantly, have you purchased Walmart curtains or maybe short 8-foot panels because they were affordable and you were saving coins? Trust me, I totally get it. Imagine still being able to use those even though you've gotten professional training, classes, or purchase one of my tutorials that teach you all the premium draping techniques, right? Even though if you absolutely love this video, because now you can save your panels, repurpose them, and no longer have to throw them in the trash or keep them sitting on some shelf someplace. Hey guys, I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and guess what? They call me the Draping Queen. I have been teaching draping for about 3 years now, and in this video I want to show you how to save short panels and incorporate them in your premium designs. Now, why should you be listening to me? Well, they don't just call me the Draping Queen for my backdrops good looks, right? I share so many helpful tips that save new and advanced designers so much time and money, as well as teach them how to enhance their skills, that I have earned that title. I remember how embarrassed I used to feel when I would design a backdrop that had actual high waters, right? Yep, the bottoms of my panels would swing because they were entirely too short. Or how about the fact that I could not achieve the premium look because I had to keep my backdrops at minimal heights, such as 8 feet, right? This was so frustrating because I just knew that in order to achieve this grandiose design, I would have to shell out hundreds or thousands of dollars for longer premium panels. But boy, was I wrong. Although I didn't come up with a solution right away, I came up with one in the nick of time, which is when I was preparing for a draping masterclass, right? I used so many panels for my students with various colors and various textures, but here it was just before a class and I needed more blue panels, but I didn't have any time to get any, right? But guess what? I remembered those short panels that I had stored away in the back, and then a light bulb just kind of went off. So how about you? Do you have any short panels that you think you can no longer use or use in a premium way? If so, keep watching, because I'm going to share with you a quick fix so you no longer have this issue and you can breathe new life into your old short panels. So let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, so now we're going to break down this design. So if you missed last week's video, go and check it out, because this was a simple design that we were able to pull off with just a simple mystery box, right? The design looked really, really elegant, and again, it's only 6 panels. So that goes to show it's not about what you can do, but it's also about what you use, right? So we're gonna break this down so now I can show you exactly how to take this a step further and incorporate some other panels, but they're gonna be short panels, right? And I'm gonna show you exactly how to hide them. So when you're taking it apart, okay, so as you can see, we lowered down the design all the way down, back down to eye level. And again, it's 4 panels, right? Only thing we're going to do is incorporate 2 extra panels. But guess what? These panels are only 10 feet long. So when I raise this, it's going to be every bit about 11 to 12 feet. So you'll actually see these dangling, and just stay tuned to see exactly what I do with them. So only thing I'm going to do is, if you have heard me talk about zones of swags and the importance of learning where to put certain textures in your zones, this is a stiff blend, right? So this is something I will put in zone 1. So the only thing I'm going to do is shift my sequins over on each side and just add this 1 extra panel. So again, shift it over, pick it up, put it in the cusp of my neck, and I'm just going to add the blue. So now that I've actually added my blue, I'm going to raise it, like I said, at least 11 to 12 feet high, right? Let's go right back up, starting with my top bar. I can see my blue panel swinging a little bit, so I should be right about 11. Let me even everything out. Okay, so as you guys can see, the blue is not touching the floor, it's actually hanging and dangling. So what I'm going to do is just bring it to the pole, and I'm going to just pleat it like I would my zone 1 fabric with that technique. Then I'm going to continuously bring the rest of my fabric, secure it to the pole. Now my green, I'm just going to make this a little deeper I'm not going to do it. So I could do this two ways, right? I can bring all of my colors and go in transitional in the same format, and then below the colors would look the same, but I would hide this short panel with my blue sequin, right? I would hide that by pinning it in, and then I would puddle everything with my blue sequin and my green. Or if I want to do like my last design, I could bring it in the back, and then the green will come on the outside and cover up the short panel, right? It just would come there. So now your sequin would become the inner puddle, and your green the outer, and your blue is completely hidden. Then this would just get covered up with your sashes. In this case, I'm going to use the same greenery because I kind of actually like it. Just kind of add some little peacock flair. Wait a minute. And I'm just sticking these down in my pipe cleaner. Not doing nothing spectacular. Sticking them down. The little thorns are kind of catching, but they'll get in there. Then bring your green around. Kind of make it act as a cape. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, so once I have my fabric up, now I gotta kind of step away from it to position it to make sure everything is even. See that this one is a little lower. Same thing, I'm going to hide my blue. So again, guys, that is how you are able to tuck your panels and really save your panels instead of having to throw them away or store them away on shelves, right? Now you can do this and achieve this look with anything as long as it's at least, I would say, 8 feet. 6 feet, you'll only be able to use 6 feet if your backdrop is a lot shorter, right? If your backdrop is like maybe around 10 feet, you definitely could use it with 6 feet panels. However, anything less than that, I would not highly advise you to try and use those panels as actual swags unless you're doing something super short, such as a swag behind another swag. So I hope you guys, again, found this to be helpful and you know exactly what to do. So has this video helped you think of better ways to use your short panels? You can easily thank me by liking this video to help me reach 1,000 likes. Not to mention, it's absolutely free to do and only takes 1 second. I know your girl is worth 1 second, right? So if you struggle with premium draping techniques, no worries, because if you're watching this video, it's a good chance that you're looking to learn or possibly enhance your draping skills. And what better way than to learn from the draping queen herself? So I want you to check out those links below in the description where you can immediately take advantage of ways to learn directly from me. I have an 8-city tour approaching in June, and some of those cities are already almost full, right? Don't miss out on those locations because guess what? We will not be returning until 2023. It would be such a shame if a competitor in your city attended my class and they go back and kill it. You already know who everybody is going to be booking, right? So why don't you stop playing so you can make sure that they're booking you. So go check those cities out today. I hope you're subscribed. Remember to turn on your notifications bell so you know exactly when the video uploads.